create a table named bottom goals. So bottom goals I'm creating, and then must extract from EPL. So EPL of home GF and away GF available from the last three teams in EPL. See here, same way here, this one is going to be home GF and away GF only. Last three teams. Last three teams means I can write 18, 19, 20, right? So can I put like this 18 to 20? Assuming that I have a 20 cross 11 elements. So I have this table with the 20 elements, right? Last three you see 18, 19, 20. Simple, right? It's correct. So for last three, 32, 27, we'll cross check. Home GF and away GF. Home GF you see last three, 32, 23, 14. 32, 23, 14. Same thing. Okay? Very simple. So remove home GF and home GA from EPL. So we are going to remove a particular table from, remove a particular thing from the EPL table. So you can remove this table like this. So EPL of colon comma all the rows pertaining to. I'm going to remove what? Home. So whenever you're going to use multiple things, you have to use the curly bracket home GF comma. Sorry. Home GF and home GA. And I'm going to equate that to empty, which means I'm nullifying those two things. So if you see the modified EPL table, it is 20 cross 9. Previously, 20 cross 11. So I have removed the two columns, home GF and home GA. So whenever you want to remove the particular column from a table, you have to equate that to empty braces, which means that particular column values are emptied out in the table. Now remove specific variables from the table. So you are going to use remove the two particular variables. So you are going to use the remove variables and assign the result back to EPL. So EPL equal to remove vars of EPL comma. I have to give the two variables name. So I am just copying this and pasting. I will be changing the variable names. So it is not home GF, it is away GF and away GA. I think it is correct. So I will see here 20, it has become 20 cross 7 now. So I removed two more variables. So either you can use this method or you can use this method. Both are going to give you the same result. Now rearrange the 7 columns in the order. So team name column 1, then home wins, then away wins, then home draws, away draws, home losses, away losses. So you know how to rearrange. You have to use the sorting command and the order is given. Okay. I'm not going to do that. It is very simple. They are given, sometimes using the column numbers are very simple. See here, I'm going to sort all the rows by first by column 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7. Accordingly, I have to change. 1 is team name, 2 is away wins, then 5, then 3. So whatever column numbers are given, we have directly given them as an input to my array, and all the rows I am going to take. So we'll run this. We should be getting that. Yes. Further practice, if you want, you can do that. So finally, the summary, original table. Then we have specifically picked up the wanted rows and columns. Again, some variable indexing we can use, and you can pick either you can pick them by column numbers or you can pick them by the column names. So both are going to provide you the same result. Okay.